68 years of hiccups. A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, longer than most people even get to live. Charles Osborne's life changed in an instant when he fell while trying to weigh a hog in 1922, triggering a case of hiccups that medical experts still struggle to explain. His involuntary spasms started at a rate of about 40 times per minute, slowing slightly over the decades, but never fully stopping. Doctors tried everything from hypnosis to carbon monoxide, but nothing worked. Osborne simply adapted, learning to eat, sleep, and even speak around the constant interruptions. Despite his relentless hiccups, Osborne married twice, raised 8 children, and worked on a farm. He became a medical curiosity, even appearing in the Guinness Book of World Records, but for him, hiccuping was just everyday life. The hiccups finally stopped on their own, remarkably, just 1 year before Osborne's death in 1991. For nearly 7 decades, his body held on to a mystery that science still hasn't solved.